This is Module 3, Lesson 16, the final lesson in at least the current version of Module 3. It is a short one, and if anybody has it for homework or just looking at it to study, it's not very long, but this last one is very confusing. I'm not going to do the whole thing, obviously, but because if I did the whole thing, then this first one is very easy. The second one is pretty easy also. So I'm going to do the B and a little bit of C just to kind of get anyone going who's watching this. So here we go. Switch to, let's do blue. Now here's a road, very short road. Piece shown below is 1/6 of the whole. So the whole must be much bigger. In fact, thinking of fractions, if you wanted to think of that as 1/6, so 1/6, it's kind of hard to label it here. There we go. So that's 1/6. So how many more 6 do we need for the whole? The whole would be 1. So how do we get 1 whole? That would be 6/6. So we need 5 more 6ths. Oh, that didn't go very well. Let's try that again. 6. There we go. Equals 6/6, or 6/6. It's like a tongue twister. Say it real fast. It's kind of fun. Although you may just get a headache. Yeah, I've done it before. I know. So this is only one piece of 6 pieces. So this is just a small fraction, 1/6. Let's make it much bigger. Now, you don't have to get a ruler out. They're not looking for perfection here. Just eyeball it. I mean, it's if they did say to get a ruler out, obviously you should, but this one does not, and they haven't used a ruler in any of these lessons, so I'm not going to. And although I am going to cheat using the smartboard tool because I feel like it, and I am horrible at drawing with computer mice. So, whoa, that's too big. If this is 1/6, let's see, this might be, and don't judge me, please. I'm just eyeballing it. 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, 6/6. So it's about here, and then let's clone it, save time. Whoops. Copy. Let me try the buttons. The buttons aren't working either. I'll just draw another line. That's fine. Okay. And I know it's really lazy, but let's just do that line. Okay. Now, let's fill them in by doing this. That's in black, okay. So here's the line. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. We need 5 lines. 4, 5. Oh, these lines need to be a little bit longer, it looks like. That's a benefit of doing it on the computer. Alright, and then let's just move this guy over and shrink him back down. It's kind of fun actually playing with these lines. Not a perfect line, but whatever. Okay, and this guy over. So 1/6, 2/6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, perfect. Look at this. Watch this. Oh, come on. Oh, come on, technology. You're failing me. I should be able to copy and... Oh, maybe just clone it. There we go. Same thing. Clone, copy, paste. Alright. That's what I was trying to do. Yeah. Clone. Clone. And clone. So now I've got 6/6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. And we've completed the drawing to show the whole road. Road. Okay. Now I'm only going to do a little bit of this one because it's really this last one is kind of simple. I mean, there's not really an answer for it because it says you draw your own ribbon problem with 2 or 3 lengths. Don't make it too hard on yourself because you're going to use a lot of your brain cells on this one. If you can figure this out fast, good job, because this is beyond, in my opinion, a 5th grade kind of question. This is even a lot of adults would have trouble with this. Let's see here. So I'll start you off at the very beginning with the 3 roads. Now, before you draw them, you have to highlight some key things. 3 times longer than A. There's 3 total roads. B is 3 times longer than A. C is twice as long as B. Draw the roads. Okay, I'll do this part for you, and then you're on your own. I'm just gonna eyeball it here. Let's do green. So, which one's longer? B is 3 times longer than A. C is twice as long as B. If B is 3 times longer than A, B is longer than A, and C is longer by 2 times as B. So, if A, let's make A kind of small because it looks like he's the smallest. That's my kind of jogging road, the small, short road. Then B is 3 times longer. So I'm going to do a shortcut here and clone. Although I do need to erase the A. Whoops. Undo. Got a little excited there. Alright, there we go. Now if we combine these, and let's just draw the last one because it's not that hard. So that's B. Now have we met? Let's just double check. B is 3 times longer than A. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay? And C is double this. Oh, none of my computer hacking skills are working today. Alright, I'm just going to do a rough. I should be able to copy that whole thing and then duplicate it twice to make twice as long. So forgive me for my crude lines. There we go. Now it's going to ask you some fraction questions, but you can kind of go from there. Alright, enjoy, people out in the YouTube land.